Hello students, welcome to the new session. In this session, let us see usages of present perfect tense. It means in which situations we can use present perfect tense. Let us see now. First one, present perfect tense is used for a recently completed action with just. You have to take the help of word just. See here. She has just gone out. They have just arrived. The action just completed to indicate that we can use present perfect tense. Second one, present perfect tense is used to describe a completed action, the effect of which is being felt in the present. The action is completed already, but its effect is there in the present. In that situation also we can use present perfect tense. See here, Rama has eaten all the apples. It means no more apples available for you. Okay. He has cut his finger. It means at present he requires treatment. I have completed my work. It means now I am free. Action is completed. Its effect is there in the present. In that situation, we can use present perfect tense. Next one you see here. Possible answers to the questions in the present perfect is used in questions and answer for past action. For the past action, to ask questions, we can use present perfect tense. For example, have you seen my book? This is question. For that, answer can be yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Like this, for the past action, you can ask question using present perfect tense. Next one you see there, have you had your breakfast? For that answer, yes, I have, or no, I haven't had it yet. Okay. Next one you see here, to express an action beginning at some times in the past and continuing up to the present moment. The action it started in the past, but still it is continuing. For example, dog has been ill since last Monday. It means it is still ill. Okay. It has been ill since last Monday. It means at present also it is ill. That ill started last Monday, but it is still continuing. Second, we haven't seen Ravi for 2 months. It means at present also we haven't seen him. We can't see him. Next one, I have known him for 5 years. I have known him for 5 years. Here, I know him today also. Next, they have lived here for 3 years. It means at present also they are living here. Their living process, that action started in the past, still it is continuing. Next one you see here, the present perfect tense may also indicate future time in conditional clauses. Okay, it may indicate future time also in conditional clauses. For example, I can't decide until I have discussed the matter with my parents. I can't decide until I have discussed the matter with my parents. Next one, I will come as soon as I have finished my work. I will come as soon as I have finished my work. It is conditional clause. In this situation also we can use present perfect tense. Next one you see here, it can be used for habitual actions. To indicate habitual actions, we can use it. See here, I have never been late for the school. I have never been late for the school. It shows the habits of that person. Okay, they have always answered my letters. Next one, used in letters. While writing the letters also we can use this one. See here, example, I am sorry, I haven't written you before, as I have been very busy lately, as my father has been away. See here, I haven't written, have been very busy, and has been away. These are all present perfect tense form. Next one, we can also use present perfect tense in following types of sentences. See here, this, it, or that, along with that, first, second, third, only, best, worst. When these words are there, that time we can use this one. For example, see here, this is the best cake I have ever tasted. This is the best cake I have ever tasted. Here best word, along with that you have used have ever tasted. This is the only book he has written. Only word is there. This is the first time that I have heard her sing. First time. This is the third time you have asked me the same question. Here third time. In this situation we can use the present perfect tense. So these are the different situations in which we can use present perfect tense. And regarding the structure of present perfect tense, two more things you should know. One is present perfect form of have as a main verb is had. When the main verb itself is have, that time along with that you have to use had. For example, I have had a lot of calls today. Have after you are using had. He has had a lot of opposition. Has after had. Okay. Next one, present perfect form of be is been. Have been, has been, like this you have to use. Have after been you have to use instead of be. See here, Ravi has been teacher for 10 years. They have always been kind to me. Okay. So far we have completed present perfect tense. In our next session, let us see present perfect continuous tense. Thank you for watching video.